Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to see recently unblocked person on Facebook application. So for example, you have unblocked a person on a Facebook app and you want to approach them and you want to see their ID or you want to send a request or send a message, then this video is absolutely for you. So without wasting time, let's get started. So first of all, you have to open up Facebook application on your mobile phone. So I'm just opening up the Facebook application. So after opening up the Facebook application on your mobile phone, you have to just simply tap on the top right corner of menu button. So after tapping on this, you will be able to see the menu button is appeared here. Just simply scroll down here until you will be able to find the settings and privacy. Simply hit settings. So after tapping on settings, here you have to just simply scroll down until you will be able to find the option which is blocking. And here in the section of audience and visibility, the second last option is blocking. Just simply hit this option. So after opening up the blocking button, you will be able to see the list of all the blocked users. So you have blocked. So for example, I want to see the unblocked member. So in order to see the unblocked member, I am going to unblock the first member here. So I'm just tapping on unblock and just simply hit unblock. So after unblocking that, you will be able to see that person has been unblocked from the list. So in order to find them, you have to just simply go to the search bar here. So after coming to the search bar of your account, simply go to search for that specific person, the name of that specific person. So I'm just searching for the name of that specific person, and here you will be able to see the first member is that one specific ID has been arrived to you. So the first ID will be always that specific ID which you have recently unblocked. So you guys can see here is the first ID which I have recently unblocked. So in this way, you guys can approach by just tapping on the exact name of that specific account and the first result will be arrived to you. So I hope this methods find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.